Nonita Daniel.
Loh, grabe pala tong makakalaban ni Donaire ngayong March 2026. Isa na namang Japanese, matibay at mabagsik. Tignan mo, ginawa nitong hapon sa kababayan nating si Jonas Sultan. O diba? Kawawa si Sultan Brad, gumulong sa hapde kaya biglang kinomfort ng referee. Ito naman ang Japanese undefeated na huling nakalaban ni Donaire. Akala niya easy win lang sa kanya dahil 43 years old na ang Pinoy legend. Panalo nga siya, sobrang dikit, kaso nilamog sa suntok ang mukha na parang binahaya ng bubuyog. Isa na namang Pilipinas kontra Japan ang masasaksihan natin, mga kababayan. Nonito the Filipino Flash Donaire versus Rico the Samurai Masuda. Isang Pinoy legend kontra sa isang rising star ng Japan. Tila naging taga-testing na ngayon si Donaire sa mga bagitong Japanese na pausbong. Kaso lang, kapag kay Donaire sila dumaan, nagiging damage goods na sa bigat ng kamao. Di na bago yan sa ating pambato dahil ang daming undefeated ang binaklas nito. Naging fighter of the year ba naman? Naging 2-time knockout of the year, upset of the year, oldest bantamweight champion, 4 division world champion at fight of the year nung unang laban nila ni Naoya the Monster Inoue kung saan na-expose ang Japanese pound for pound. Tulad nitong isa, gaya nga nung sabi ko yung last fight ni Donaire kontra Seiya Tsutsumi, weigh-in pa lang talagang sinukat at hinanap niya ang kahinaan ni Donaire kung saan pwede patamaan, lagkit ng tingin parang may pagnanasa, Brad. At pagkatapos ng laban nila, nako, basag ang ilong, halos di makilala ng nanay niya. Nabugbog na, muntikan pang ma-knockout, kaso lang abay tagilid pa rin ang resulta. May isang judge ba namang binigay ng 117-111 pabor sa Hapon? Anak ng teteng, parang nagja-judge lang sa pansita na nakuyakoy. Pero boy, wag kang pakampante dyan dahil itong bagong kalaban legit na mapanganib. May record na 9 wins, only 1 loss with 8 brutal knockouts. Dalawa dyan ay Pinoy. Grabe! Si Donaire naman ay may 43 wins, 9 losses with 28 impressive knockouts. Parehong 5'7", orthodox si Donaire, southpaw si Masuda. 25 years na bilang professional si Donaire habang 3 years pa lang ang pro experience nitong Hapon. Mabilis at kaya nitong magpatulog, Brad, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ng Pinoy. Nakilala naman si Donaire sa kanyang pamatay na left hook.
He comes back with the left hook. Bam! Boom! Hit him right on the chin.
Matik yan. Itong style ni Masuda na panay lusob, magdoble ingat siya kasi pag dumapo yung kaliwa ni Donaire sa panga, matutuwa na naman ang St. Peter niyan, may dagdag kliyente sila. O siya, para maikumpara natin ang galawan ng dalawang magtatagisan, ito exclusive to para sa mga minamahal na viewers ng BFTV Sports, ang latest fights and knockouts ni Donaire versus Masuda. Chill muna tayo at kuha na kayo ng makakain. Palike ng ating video, i-commentate ko, let's go! Okay, first fight tayo mga kababayan. Unahin natin to, Jonas Sultan versus Rico Masuda. Bago lang to, brada, last year, February 24, 2025. Bantamweight division sa Tokyo, Japan. Jonas fighting in black trunks and the opponent fighting in white trunks. Yung Japanese na kalbo, yun yung kalaban ni Donaire, Brad. Itong si Sultan, kilala na makuna to. Pero tignan natin kung ano nga bang nangyari. Paano pinatiklop to ng Japanese sa unang round pa lang. Good one to by Masuda. Sultan is trying to find a loophole sa depensa ni Masuda. Kasi yung Masuda umaatras. Diba? Nagka-counter din. And base sa nakikita natin, mas mabilis yung Masuda, Brad. Good body shot. Okay, good one to by Masuda. Wala pang ganong significant punch na kumonekta si Sultan dito. Di ba pansinin yung style ni Masuda? Di ba ano siya outboxer na is heavy on the back foot. Nagka-counter. And ano din, sharp din yung suntok niya. Mapa-jab tsaka... Uy! Tinamaan sa tagiliran. Gumulong si Sultan Brad ha. Di kinaya. Grabe. Tanggal yung tibay ng kababayan natin sa isang body shot lang. Okay, ito naman bagong laban ni Donaire, last fight niya. WBA Bantamweight title December 17, 2025, Tokyo, Japan din. Donaire versus Seiya Tsutsumi.
そうなんですね。見すぎちゃってもよくない
Black trunk si Donaire and white with black and red trunk si Tsutsumi.
左また左
これも早い
かなりこう合わせのしかし左を伸ばしてきました左いいです
Undefeated tong kalaban niya, Brad ha.
堤がおよそ2年ぶりの復帰戦というそんな印象もありますがまだワインラウンド右を伸びてきましたドネア左フック
どうやね43戦でも
Okay, na overhand.
ガードなんとか間に合った
Yung Susumi medyo aligaga.
リスクというのは非常に話をしています
Nafe-feel niya siguro yung pressure ni Donaire.
早いなどうやねやっぱ
踏み込んで左
Yan o.
ストレートドネアプレスをかけると
Fourth round to, Brad ha.
2年ぶりの
久しぶりの試合よりも
ここも来た
Okay, overhand. Pero yung dispensa ni Donaire on point pa rin.
ながら左右のストレート
Si Donaire mas lalong tumalino. Tumanda pero lalong tumalino. Mas naging technical.
その
And also, talagang calculated pressure yung ginagawa niya.
距離を取った方がいいですよ
一つダメージを切るストレート
Medyo napapatas yung Tsutsumi lagi. Ramdam niyo yung pressure. Yung lakas din ng suntok ng Pinoy.
生きてるんですよね
してはきませんドネアにとってはチャンスこれが世界戦だけで2
Good counter by Donaire.
球種を外した堤
Dugo na yung ilong ng Tsutsumi ha. Basag na yung ilong niya.
ただじゃあやっぱね堤そこがやっぱどのやの
Okay, good straight. Naalog yung panga.
ちゃんさんの言ったように
左
ないですよ
なるほどはい
今
左に打つとその前の堤の右の
Medyo gumewang-gewang na, Brad ha.
あれ見せられたらなかなか入りづらいですよね。
怖いですよね
Eh, yung ilong oh. Tingnan mo. Diba? Basag na eh.
どういう風にどの動かすかですよね
はい
でも堤が前行ってますね
はいドネアは足を使ってくるのか
Medyo awkward yung stance ni Tsutsumi. Tsaka nag-switch hit din siya.
ドネアが狙っている
だってですよ。
左アッパーそこにドネアも左アッパー
Masyadong mababa no yung ano niya. Scope niya parang yung ano yung galawan niya. Awkward eh. Ganda ng patama. Ayun oh.
52年のブラン
Kasi itong Tsutsumi, ang target niya talaga dito is body shot. Tinitignan niya yung katawan ni Donaire, if manipis pa, kaya bang tumanggap na suntok.
ドネア
Kasi ano eh, yung perception kasi ng mga Japanese boxer ngayon, eh, mahina tayo sa body shot.
でもまあ結構きついと思いますよやっぱり
そうですね。
ブロックにヒットが今の瞬間
Okay, good exchange.
右の残り30秒切っている第
Naging maingat si Tsutsumi.
堤が
Replay natin. May isang solid na suntok yan oh. Wala, hindi naman ano, hindi ganong napinsala. Pakunat pa rin yung Donaire, Brad.
大名
Good straight.
鋭い左ガードのスタイルからこの左のジャブですドネア頭を動かしながらド
Diba mabigyan lang to ng isang solid, kahit left hook or straight man lang, titiklop to eh.
ネアこの右のスタイルを右のパワードネア
いいですね。この攻撃。
堤も左はまだ残って
Basag na yung ilong Tsutsumi ha, dugo-dugo na eh.
角度を変えて左ラウンド
Dugo-dugo na.
10、11、12
うまいんですよね。
どんなにこう的な瞬発力みたいなものが落ちてるかもしれ
お
ない
休みながら、うまさキャリアですよね。
Donaire is looking for a big counter. Tsutsumi umaabante, lumalakas yung loob, yung Donaire sumasabay pa rin. Yan o, replay natin.
されますより
そう
取って
ですね。この
挑
11ラウンド
戦していかなければいけない残り2ラウンドということには、はい、
Uy, good uppercut.
思いましたね今
Talagang yung composure ni Donaire andun pa rin.
でも狙っている
Nakakatakot pa rin eh. Kahit itapat mo sa mga bago, you know, yung solid na suntok talagang kinakain niya lang eh. Face check tayo.
リングの中央ドネア。
なんでやっぱ
Lamog na yung mukha. Uy!
ロープ際に持っていく。
Nasaktan si Donaire Brad ha.
むしろカウンターを狙っているのか。
Pero yung mukha ni Chuchumi, lamog na.
その
Kay Donaire niya lang natikman yan. Parang si Inoue din, di ba? Ganda ng laban.
いや死闘です。
誰もが戦う
Ano yung mukha oh.
相
Lamog.
手じゃない。誰もが戦えることをとても光栄に思っています。3人
Panalo.
ついている。
Grabe, sobrang dikit. Split decision. Muntik.
反撃を見せた。それ取りました。
Tanggalan sana ng titulo. Okay, dito naman tayo. Kay Rico Masuda versus Jose Cervantes. Japanese versus Mexican. Bagong laban ni Masuda. And para malaman natin kung ano nga ba talaga galawan nito. Kung sino yung Yamado o Dejado. This is for a bantamweight bout sa Tokyo, Japan din ginanap. And Masuda fighting in black trunks. And Cervantes from Mexico fighting in white trunks. And next nito Brad, yung laban naman ni Donaire. Meron siyang nakalaban na isang American, pero yung style niya same na same kay Rico Masuda. Magandang panoorin yun, magandang balikan yun. Okay, para makita natin kung ano nga ba galawan ni Donaire pag tinapat sa gantong estilo. 'Di ba? Same talaga ng style nun eh. Malalaman nyo mamaya. Umaatras, nagbaback pedal, kumakaunter, malikot, 'di ba? May suntok din. Grabe, second round pa lang. Lamog na yung mukha ng Mexican. Indikasyon niya na talagang hindi to baliwalang champion. Tiklop nga si Sultan eh. Di ba? Si Sultan matibay yun eh. Nagbigay ng magandang laban. Tumalo pa nga kasi Mero yun. Di ba? Masuda is being calm. Talagang calm and collected, ready to counter. Tsaka hindi siya nawawala sa game plan niya na lateral movement, talbog-talbog. Parang Pinoy din yung style eh. Titignan mo. Para siyang Jerry Peñalosa na para ding sino ba to, si Milan Melindo. Although si Milan Melindo more on naka-high guard. Ito parang Jerry Peñalosa din eh, yung style niya. Technical din na gumagalaw. Good straight by Rico Masuda. Nasaktan yung Meksikano. Meksikano magaling to eh. May amateur background to, Olympics din to. Uy, tinamaan sa panga. Okay, fifth round tayo, mabilis lang to Brad, 'di ba? Mabilis lang to. And by the way, kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga gantong content, nire-reveal natin yung mga latest fights, yung mga knockout artist na Pinoy, bagong aabangan, top prospect, undefeated. Ganito yung content natin Brad, nire-reveal natin, kumbaga pinapakilala natin sa buong Pilipinas, sa mga viewers natin, at kino-compile natin yung mga latest fights and knockouts nila. 'Di ba? Para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Mas isang panooran lang, 'di ba? Isang click lang mapapanood niyo na yung mga yung latest fight ng isang boxer, kung ano yung mga ganap sa boxing career niya. Okay, comment kayo dyan sa ibaba, palike ng ating video, comment nyo kung taga saan kayo, re-replyan ko yan isa-isa, and maraming salamat po. Grabe sa bayan, brad, oh. No! Grabe yung Mexicano. Kadugo-dugo na yung ilong, talagang umaabante pa rin eh. Tibay, no? Kumbaga parang nagmumug ng isang galon ng ketchup. Panalo si Masuda doon. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo Brad. Okay? Yung kanina yung Masuda, panalo siya doon via stoppage, corner stoppage. Ito Brad yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Nonito Donaire versus Stephon Yang. WBO Bantamweight Championship ginanap sa USA. Itong Stephon Yang, same style ng Masuda. Maliit din, mabilis, di ba? Umaatras, nagka-counter. Gantong-ganto, Brad. And dito natin makikita kung ano yung galaw ni Donaire pag gantong boxer ang kalaban
But
niya.
you can see the power right there.
Has fought some high-level competent Argentinian, beat Jorge Arce as well. I mean,
Donaire is putting pressure kasi lumalakas yung loob ni Donaire, medyo maliit yung kalaban.
has that level of prize fighting.
Getting the ring off on Young. Also, when he gets close to in that fight, he started.
Okay, good body shot by Donaire.
Frequently for Stefan Young. There we see
He just walked.
Stephen Young is trying to land some good counter and heavy hands. Talagang mabigat yung kamay nitong Black American na to. Diba? Outboxer yung datingan. Bilis din eh.
round one in the books.
Okay, second round tayo.
You know, one
Mga bago pa lang, Donaire fighting in blue and orange trunks and the opponent fighting in gold and white trunks.
taller than me. I prepared for a guy that had a 4-inch reach advantage. I know they're both southpaws, but a totally different fighter than Tatum.
There is a fighter or experience being in a high-level situation.
Good counter by Donaire.
Just to what was coming to Stefan Young, and you can see he's
Yung game plan ni Stephen Young, umaatras siya. Hinahayaan niya pumasok si Donaire. And once na magkamali, doon niya i-capitalize.
go in order to give Donaire something to think about, because right now Donaire's not thinking about anything. He's
Donier doesn't seem to be in any danger when St. Louis has
Good
been
body.
his family.
Basag yung ribs pag ganun, Brad, di ba? Lalo na pag tinamaan ng solid.
Young ranked number 5 by the WBA 10. Stefan Young's dossier was to 21-year-old Raymar Filipino boxing. He was down in the third. Under a minute left here in the second. Donier coming forward.
In trivia lang mga Brad ha, itong si Stephen Young, tinalo ni Raymart Gaballo to. Pinabagsak to. Nagtinikling to eh.
And as you get older, there's
Kaya nga nagtapat si Donaire tsaka Gaballo. Kasi tinalo ni Gaballo to.
how
Na-upset niya.
and the discipline that Donier has.
it is hard to get
Uy, good counter. Tumama sa panga ni Young ha.
Young having moments towards the end of the second bantamweight final.
Third round tayo.
And Stefan Young had, and Young threw a
Once again, Donaire is the aggressor. Stephen Young is backpedaling, trying to land some counter.
note of Kendall. A little bit of swelling underneath the left eye of Nonito Donier.
Okay, tumama yung counter ni Young. Medyo stiff yung depensa ni Donaire naman.
Donier
So far.
pushing the head down.
Mahigpit din.
Many championship matchups.
Okay, tumama yung left hook. Sweeping left hook by Stephen Young. Malinis.
Rhythm. We saw evidence of that in
Pero wala pa rin siyang solusyon sa aggression ni Donaire.
Boys baiting Donier to come forward, and Donier needs to use head.
Ganda ng mga fake ni Donaire.
Keep himself not
Veterano talaga eh.
of a home for that straight left.
Okay, good
Just
left.
Connected right there.
absolutely Tommy. He's an easy target.
Kinain lang ni Donaire, no?
This is starting to grow with this being his first world title shot.
With I think gave him a lot of confidence.
You are in the playoffs for the first time in the NBA in the first quarter. Mentally, you think I can.
Uy, tinamaan sa kidney.
And we can.
Nagreklamo ha.
You do get that confidence. I was in the playoffs.
Yung mga ganung posisyon sa katawan, yung sa may bandang likod, kidney na yan.
At any point.
And sa katunayan, bawal nga suntukin yan dyan eh.
Still a very
Parang isa sa mga bawal suntukin sa pagkakaalam ko, yung rabbit punch sa batok.
past two
Tsaka yun,
rounds.
kidney punch, bawal din yun. Kunyari, nagyayakapan, di ba? Tapos susuntukin mo yung likod, bawal. Uy, tinamaan ng straight ha.
And that buzz.
Naalog.
And Young seems to.
Naalog yung Amerikano.
It's coming. He can't be there.
Round 3.
Save by the bell. oh.
4-12.
Okay, fourth round tayo, grabe. Nonito Donaire, top 1 brutal knockout.
That's before, we
Versus
thought we had
Stephen
confidence
Young.
against the Chicago Bulls. That's exactly what Donaire did.
Tsaka title fight to, Brad ha. Hindi basta-bastang laban to. High stake to.
Donaire just took everything away from him with that last comment.
Compared to the second and the third.
Okay, good right.
Donier has issue more. He's going to try to make Stefan Young uncomfortable because Young got
Hindi
comfortable.
komportable yung Stephen Young sa aggression at pressure ni Donaire.
To become dangerous.
Nito Donier, he realizes what is on the line. Both men
Ganto yung strategy din Donaire kay Inoue.
tournament.
Ultimo si Inoue that time talagang hindi siya komportable.
Faint and set
Diba?
Young up for something. Once again, nice uppercut.
As we are percent of the way done of round number 4.
Grabe takbo ng Stephen Young. Uy,
And Donier is looking to add
Uy, good hook.
a left hook that
lipad eh.
trying to set up an uppercut, that being
Nako.
Donier.
Yeah, even Young blinking.
You know?
That right eye is really bothering him at this point. And he's just walking to Stephen Young because there's nothing.
Nako, patay ka.
Once
Body shot.
Stephon Young, his eyes
Masakit yun.
really thinking and
Bang! Binanatan.
away from the big punches of Nonito Donia.
Kayang-kaya niyang tanggapin yung suntok nitong Amerikano eh.
Percent knockout percentage
Yayakap po.
to this matchup.
Tinamaan ng right.
And you can see Donaire, he's not even worried about the power back. He's just walking forward, willing to take one to give one at this point.
Ito yung mga moment na talagang ano eh, alam mo nang pwedeng may mabigat na mangyayari dito.
Stephon Young, so now he is right hands from Nonito Donia.
Isang suntok lang yan, isang suntok sa panga na solid. Talagang, Brad, diyan nakilala si Donaire. Ayun, basag na yung ano,
Young
mukha.
goes back to the corner and he
Dugo na eh. Ayun, fifth round tayo.
12. Nonito Stephon Young, Donier, the fourth round TKO because Burnett could not continue.
Okay, good combination. Di maka-counter yung kano.
Young to start the
Grabe si Donaire. Pag gantong style ng kalaban, talagang sasaktan niya eh. Papakusahan niya.
Bro, and it looks like
Pressure lang ha.
that he has at this point.
Stephon Young.
Medyo na survival mode na lang yung kalaban, Brad.
Third now he realized deep water
Yari yung Japanese dito.
is self afloat against Donier.
Okay, body shot. Hindi effective.
At some point and not let Nonito continue to come.
Kayo na lang mag-predict kung ano yung suntok na tatama dito na magpapatulog sa kalaban.
With the right hand.
Uppercut ba? Straight ba? Hook ba? Diba? Yung signature punch ni Donaire.
Donaire to respect.
O di kaya overhand ba?
Good defense does Donier. He is
Uy, tinamaan sa panga.
backed up and snapped the head back to Young. I think Donier knows that he has Young hurt.
Nakko.
Yeah, he does. He's
And also Kendall. Oh, there's his punch and he
Uy,
landed.
tumama yung mga suntok ni Yang.
Look, you cannot count out Steph. Overwhelming here. And there's an by Nonito Donier.
Hanggang kailan? Gaano katagal mong kayang tiisin yung gantong suntok na malakas?
giving it his all.
You cannot.
Diba pag nakikita mo yung boxer mo, pag ikaw nasa corner, nakikita mo yung boxer mo talagang pinaparusahan. Diba nakakaawa din eh.
That ring.
Net in his previous fight.
And of the
You know,
fifth, Stephon Young.
No match talaga, Brad. Okay, umabot ng 6th round.
Get Young comfortable. Just
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that strategy. That's 6 years old, 4-time world champions.
is
Okay.
Since I'm talking about 30 on
Yang is trying to do something, pero iba yung Donaire.
champion at 18.
Kayang-kaya niyang tanggapin yung suntok.
Unprecedented in many ways.
It's 36 years old. Most guys don't have all of that left.
A lot of the audience and say that Nonito 22,
Right.
but
And, you know, rather than being a
Medyo nag-open up si Yang ha. Medyo sumasabay siya, pero naku, mag-ingat siya sa ano, yung depensa niya. Dapat on point yan.
has certainly been throwing quite a bit.
Good combination ba Yang?
Nice combination on Young, something that has been absent from his.
he's biting down. He knows that he's out.
Sumasabay siya, Brad ha. Pero naku, mga nararamdaman ko, parang delikado to eh.
Young certainly has quite a bit of pop up. You know, Kendall, haven't been inside the ring.
Puts the earmuffs on because you can't see that shot coming.
Earmuff defense.
Okay, good counter ba Yang? Donaire is still moving forward. Tinamaan sa panga si Yang ha.
Biceps to be able to evade.
Ayun lang.
Down goes Young.
Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko?
Under his left hook.
And that is
Left hook yung tumama sa panga.
Nonito Donaire at this weight class.
Tulog kagad, Brad.
Everybody better watch out.
Nonito Donier decapitating.
Grabe.
As you can see
You know?
right here, he comes back with the left.
Bang! Grabe.
Hit him right on the chin. And that was it.
Good night.
Tulog eh. Grabe itong si Donaire talaga. Yung left hook, delikado.
Donier.